gadgets can genuinely serve a practical purpose and we need them. After all, the world makes technology that you never knew existed until it suddenly becomes part of our life. Today, I brought you 5 really cool new gadgets that can be bought and enjoyed by yourself or as a great gift for your loved ones. But before starting our video, please subscribe to our channel Gadget Centro and press the bell icon so you can get the notification of our new videos. Now let's get into it. GoPro Hero 4 Session. Now you can capture and share your stories like never before. GoPro Hero 4 Session captures ultra-high quality video and photos in a compact size like nothing before. This lightweight, convenient, and portable device can go everywhere and capture everything you love about your adventures. The Hero 4 Session captures professional quality 1080p at 60 fps, 720p at 100 fps, and 1440p at 30 fps video, as well as photos up to 8 megapixels. Compared to the GoPro Hero 3 Plus, the Hero 4 Session also features built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which allow you to control and view your camera from a smartphone or tablet. This powerhouse of a camera is waterproof to a depth of 10 meters, so there's no need to worry if the unexpected happens. When mounted to your helmet, gear, or nearby object, it will capture your every move from every angle with ultra-immersive photo and video functionality. Wacaco Minipresso GR Portable Espresso Machine. With the Minipresso GR, you can now enjoy freshly brewed espresso whenever, wherever. The Wacaco Minipresso is a handy and small handheld espresso machine. This miniature espresso machine is portable and convenient and allows you to make an espresso wherever you want. The compressor-free Minipresso system delivers a pleasant crema and authentic Italian taste. The beauty of this method consists in simplicity. There are no electronics or moving parts. It fits into any bag or even into your pocket, and it includes a reusable stainless steel coffee filter for ground coffee. It is perfect for hiking, camping, backpacking, or just to have when you are in the mood for a classic Italian coffee. Clocky Alarm Clock on Wheels. A runaway alarm clock. Really? That's right. Clocky the robot wakes you up in his own unique way. After snoozing, Clocky jumps off the nightstand and rolls around the room until you catch it. If that doesn't do the trick, Clocky beeps and boops until you're out of bed to turn it off. It is for heady sleepers with energy to burn. If you reach out and catch it before it runs off, Clocky goes back to sleep. But if you don't, it will roll until someone chases after it or until the battery runs down. The ultimate clock that forces kids and adults to get out of bed in the morning. The Clocky alarm clock can be programmed to slide off a nightstand after a predetermined number of snooze cycles. Portable Bluetooth speaker, Asimum Rhyme. Just use your smartphone to play music on the Asimum Rhyme. The Rhyme is the newest speaker in our portable Bluetooth speaker line. It's cute, small, and easy to carry with you anywhere. It has a built-in high-capacity rechargeable battery that provides you up to 15 hours of playing but only takes 3 hours to recharge with the provided USB cable. With Bluetooth V4.2 and a high-performance drive unit, this speaker can stream crystal clear sound with deep bass. The smaller size makes it lighter than most units yet still packs a big sound that can reach up to 80 decibels. This portable speaker is a great gift for a teenager or a child who's into music. Kodak Smile Instant Digital Bluetooth Printer. Bring home your photos in a new way. The Kodak Smile Instant Digital Bluetooth Printer snaps photos on the spot while you're out on the open road. The printer allows you to edit, print, and share 2x3 zinc photo paper via direct printing or stored on your mobile device through the Kodak Smile app for iOS or Android devices. The zinc photo paper comes in packs of 10 with 50 sheets per pack, so you can easily slip these micro-sized sheets into your wallets, purses, backpacks, and more. It doesn't require messy inks or films. Alright guys, that's all for today. If you want to buy those gadgets, then check out the links in the description box or visit our website, gadgetcentro.com. See you in the next video with more exciting gadgets.